Hello, I'm Leopard Stevens, and this is my show, Leopard Stevens vs. Nature. Today I'm going to the Amazon to find the Konnichiwa Godzilla snake. Let's go. Hello, it's Leopard Stevens again. And here I will teach you the #1 rule of survival. Hydration. Pigeon! Pigeon!
Sir, brother!
Okay, I'm gonna need you to pee into that container.
I filled it with water before we left.
Do you think that was the last drop?
I think that was it.
I need you to pee into that container.
But I peed before we left. Did you finish?
Don't look!
Did you pee on this?
Shh! Okay, now we will continue our adventure for the Shinakanika snake. Leopard Stevens is back again, and I'm here to show you rule #1 of the forest. Food. Now this is the bark. It cures diabetes and hunger. Pigeon, I want you to eat this.
No.
Pigeon. I peed in that, so I think it's a good nibble. Nibble. Up. Good.
I think something's wrong with that tree I ate.
Okay, it's getting late, so we'll just continue this hunt for the snake tomorrow. Hello. Good morning. Okay, it's 7 o'clock in the morning in the forest. Now, did you just wake up, have that nasty morning breath? Well, with the crest leaf, well, it just completely eliminates it. Oh crap, this is poison. Ah! Ah! Crap. Urine burns.
So, do you think he'll be okay? Or?
I don't think he's gonna be okay.
Oh my gosh!